Thank you for visiting Virginia State Parks. Let's learn how to make a day-use parking reservation. First, open a browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to reservations.com. Find the search field, search by city or park name. For today's example, we'll use Leesylvania State Park. Find the Select Arrival Date field and choose the date you plan to visit. Make sure the start date and end date are the same day by clicking the date twice. Once the screen progresses, choose Day Use Parking from the drop-down, then click Show Results. Select the state park where you want to make a reservation. Another option to start your reservation is by visiting the park website, then click Make a Reservation, which will take you directly to reservation options. Check the date of your reservation is correct before progressing. Scroll down to view available reservations. For visitors parking or walking into the park, select Single Vehicle Parking. For visitors wishing to launch their boat and park their vehicle and trailer in the boat ramp area, choose Boat Ramp Trailer Parking. For vehicles transporting 9 to 15 individuals, choose Passenger Vehicle Parking. For this example, we'll choose Single Vehicle Parking. Next, choose the date of your reservation, then click Book Now. Log into your existing account, or if you are new to Virginia State Parks, create a new account. To ensure entrance to the park, please review the information and instructions provided in the notice and be ready to present passports and reservation confirmation to rangers upon request. Once you have reviewed the information and instructions, click OK to continue. To pay for parking and your reservation fee, check the regular box. If you have already paid for parking with an annual pass, check the passport holder box. If you have already paid for parking with a boating passport, check the boating passport holder box. Visitors requiring disabled parking reservations should check the disabled passport holder box. For this example, we will check the passport holder box. Complete the other required fields. Take a moment to review visitor information, additional info, and the cancellation policy. Complete the other required fields. Then click the Reserve Unit box to advance to your cart. While parking fees for passport holders are waived by policy, the reservation fee is required for admittance to the park and is non-refundable. Verify the accuracy of the reservation, then click Go to Checkout to advance to the payment screen and complete your reservation. To learn more about Virginia State Parks, visit www.dc.virginia.gov/state-parks.